sneaking into Big D Daniel here. We're out here to visit the WARHAMMER. Hey, WARHAMMER! WARHAMMER! Where is he? Oh, there he is! Surprised I seen your head first. Well, technically, I did see your head first.
I don't see him. Hey!
What are you doing? You fucking shit up? What's this?
Yeah.
Ooh, plastic gauge.
There you go.
Ooh, fancy. Oh, can I take a bite?
Yeah.
That's a crispy one. Ooh, is she fucking melted?
Yeah, it's pounded.
It's like your last girlfriend. It took a pounding. Check this out. Ow! It bites. Like, look at this thing. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And he wants to scrap this one and sends it to the wreckers. He's gonna cut it up for parts. He's gonna scrap this whole thing right here.
Watch me.
Watch him.
Look at this disaster.
Oh, does that feel good?
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, rub it, baby, rub it. Getting jealous now? He's rubbing it for me.
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen a plate so big. Daniel's on his knees for me again. All right, put the bearing in for Christ's sakes. What are you taking so long for?
Just shut up.
Do all the girls complain this much?
Yeah. I don't even know.
Oh my God, you're making your mother's car proud. Look at this. Ladies. Oh boy. He's in the position. Do you want him now or you want him later?
What?
Come on, put the bearing in.
Am I putting the plastic stuff on now or not?
No, put the bearing in.
Okay, I'll just put it in, then we're taking
You're
it
just
again.
testing to see if it's going to knock. If it knocks, it's still too little.
Well, that's okay.
Oh my God.
I can't find the hole.
Put some hair around it. Fuck, I better get paid to be a cameraman for Christ's sakes.
No.
Hey, you mind if I start selling Daniel's ass on the side? I got to get a little money out of this somewhere.
Can I get a 10% cut?
Yep.
Okay.
Actually, we'll go 50-50. Because you might not want to touch them afterwards.
That's not nice.
Yeah, because the guys might really abuse them.
I forgot the oil.
Fuck the oil. You already put it in.
Whatever.
Oh, here he goes with his coke habit and his razor blade. Don't sniff it. Oh my God, does it smell good?
Yeah. it's
Put some
great.
oil in there
It's
now.
like candy. You want some oil in there?
Just a little. Right there, your Lucas is open.
See here.
Just put a little dab there, and then you can put your little thin, insignificant thing in there.
A little piece of noodle.
There you go.
A little piece of licorice.
Actually, take another little piece and put one up here on the side.
Oh yeah. I should use a bit of the sticky stuff.
You need a little bit of that sticky stuff.
Okay.
We only got to do one side anyway.
Here.
So he ground down the cap here a little bit.
Yeah.
Are you done yet?
Almost done. Just another bolt and a half.
Jesus. What's the torque setting on that thing?
It's
Like
like 100 foot-pounds.
Okay, so use your impact gun and tighten it in.
Okay.
Say it again.
No, I said it's good and tight.
Is it German?
No, it's not German.
It's not good and tight.
Oh.
Oh my God. Nine.
No.
Don't be sexual with the car. It's tight.
It's tight.
Good. Take it off then. First, he's talking about prison lube. He's down here. It's right there. He's talking about prison lube. Just spit on it. And now he's saying it's good and tight.
What?
He's been around. He's been to Germany too many times. The girls he hung around with. Ooh. Well, I mean, we do call him the WARHAMMER for a reason, right? So well, I didn't do it. Daniel did it.
No,
It's
I
his
didn't do it.
fault. If this motor blows up on your mom, it's his fault.
This was
He
not
does.
my fault.
He does not like your mom because she wouldn't give him any. So that's why. Okay. So here's what we did. We ground the cap down just ever so slightly. So we went from 0.076 to 0.051. Oh, and I measured on the wrong side. Inches to millimeters. So we're right in spec now on this thing. Because on his phone right here, right there, 0.028 to 0.060. We came in at 0.051. So in the standard is focus you 0024. So, whoop, moving around there too much. It's 002 to 003. So we're there. It's a cheat to get your motor so it doesn't go Look at that. Here he comes. Oh, it's getting really close there. Gotta watch.
That's what you're looking at on there.
Yeah. Oh, we're looking at car porn. So how's your car yoga going? I see you have a... that's not a yoga mat.
Yoga mat.
That is not a yoga mat.
It's a carry yoga mat.
It's a what?
A carry yoga mat.
A carry yoga mat. It looks like a...
You know, for cars.
Well, car yoga.
Yeah. That's
I actually have a car yoga mat. It's awesome.
nice.
Yeah, get you in that downward boss position where the boss likes it so he can run up behind you and... Never mind. Start that again.
Okay, you want to hear the story on this car?
Story on this car.
It was great. They're like, yeah, I think something's wrong with the timing. It was backfiring a bit, you know, a bit of backfiring while you're... Well, my son was coming home. It was just backfiring a bit.
You have a kid?
That's what he said.
Oh, that's what he said. I don't know.
The guy that
I
was
thought it was
selling the
supposed to be what
car-
she said. Oh, he
Yeah,
so okay,
that's
okay.
what he said. And so he said it was backfiring or something with the timing was out. And so they parked it, and now it won't start this year.
You bought a car that doesn't start? It doesn't even run? So how do you know it knocks and bangs?
Because that's what they said. Until I fired it up and heard it myself.
Oh, you did make it
Yeah,
run.
I
Oh, all
unplugged
right.
the airflow sensor and then it ran.
Oh, there you go. All right. So he did have it running.
And it was knocking.
Hey, I can't say nothing. I bought a Mercedes that didn't run.
Yeah. That's
I
why
got
you
it to
buy
run.
them. You got to take a gamble.
Gambo. I took a
See what you
16.
find.
Well, I mean, that one there is great. You
Those
can
are
have
really
these with a little bit of picante sauce. Maybe some, what's the green avocado sauce? I can't
Yeah. you can
Yeah,
hang it
it's
on
like
your
a
mirror.
dipper. It's a chip dipper. It's nice and thin. I mean, there will be no lead poisoning in that. Get those nuts off, man.
Oh, this
Jerk
is
them
stuck.
off.
I can't get it all.
Jerk
Work.
them off.
Turn the
We're
motor.
up here
Impact
talking.
then.
Now he
We're gonna
dives.
turn the motor.
As soon as
you
he
don't
goes, turn
use
the
an
camera off,
impactor, messes
or
it
on,
up.
He dives
not
under the
take
table.
it does.
Get
Don't
those nuts off,
it
man.
is.
Jerk them
I
off.
can't get it all.
Jerk them off.
Turn the
Where's your
motor.
impact?
Oh,
Want
We're gonna
perfection?
turn the
Yeah,
motor.
you got it.
You don't
Sanding
use an
it.
impactor, it messes it up.
It does not.
It
Yeah,
does.
sanding.
Am I taking the right one off?
Taking them off. I don't know. Probably the one you just put
Yeah,
on.
the one I just
Oh,
put on.
want perfection?
Look,
Yeah,
it's a new
you're
bearing.
sanding a
Oh, yeah.
Conrod cap.
Yeah,
Sanding.
am I taking the right
Jerk
one
it
off?
around, baby.
I don't know.
think
Probably the one you just put
Yeah,
on.
the one I just put on. Okay.
Look, it's
I
a new
keep telling
bearing.
my girl, just rub it.
Look at this. Ta-da!
Jerk it around, baby.
That's not
bad.
Well, yeah, if you
Spin
fucking
the
had the
nuts.
bearing in it. That's what I keep telling my girl. Just the cap.
Look at this.
Where's the bearing? Give me the bearing.
Ta-da!
The bearing's not in the cap. It's stuck on the rod.
Where's the bearing?
Yeah, if you
Friggin'
fucking
crank.
had the bearing in it.
It's not here.
Where's the cap?
What?
Where's the bearing? Give me the bearing.
What do you mean?
It's on there. The
Oh,
bearing's
it
not
must
in the
be on
cap.
there.
It's stuck on the rod.
There's the bearing.
Friggin'
Oh, there's a
It's
bearing
not
here.
Bullshit.
What? Stuck. Oh, there it is.
It's on there.
Oh, it must be on there.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Oh, there's a bearing
oh
in
yeah.
here.
Bearing. Hold on.
Stuck. Oh, there it is.
There we go.
Oh, this is bad.
Booyah. Hold on. That we're gonna unzoom. So this is the good bearing. Wow, wow, wow. Holy fuck, they overheated this motor.
Has this thing been overheated?
That looks like an overheated motor.
Uh-oh. That mean it's got other issues?
What's the spanky look like?
Oh.
What's the crank look like?
It looks mint.
Does it?
Yep.
Nice. Fondle it.
Which is
Stroke it.
surprising. It's
Smooth
so
and
smooth. You're the one getting weird about
I'm
it.
not getting weird about shit. One laying down there touching the crank.
Put some bearings in it.
See, ladies? This is how you, why you date a mechanic. They really go with their fingers. Why his girlfriend never wants to leave. They're just unisexual. Just
Unisexual bearings.
spit on it and put it in. Oh, give it a little bit of, oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, right in.
Love it when it's tight. It's not straight.
It's not
It's
straight.
crooked.
Just like you.
All I do is push one side down and then push the other side down and it will straighten itself out.
Yeah, it's good.
It's so good.
It's really good. It's in there.
There you go.
And then I'll slip that one in there.
These are Mall
And
bearings.
There we go.
They're Mall bearings, but they're
Mall
Cleveite.
bearings?
I think Mall owns Cleveite.
Oh, male. Yeah.
Male.
Male
Mall.
bearings.
Yeah, it's the male bearings.
Male bearings.
You're there. You're gay. You're touching male bearings. You're touching male
I
bearings.
don't know how I'm going to even get this in there.
Well, you got to get the
Oh, I
top
guess
one
I
in.
can
Have
get
you
it
put
in
the
there.
top one in yet?
No, that's what I'm working on.
Oh, well. Give me the bottom one.
Why?
Well, you're going to hold on
It's
to
on the
it.
ground.
Now you're
It's
worried
in
about
here.
things getting dirty and then you're putting shit on the ground.
Yeah, that's right.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Watch as the Canadian male fondles his male bearings.
Oh,
It's got the mail.
oh yeah, it's right in there.
He loves it.
Like that.
Piston moving free in there is a
Yep.
little how to rebuild the bottom end without taking the bottom end out of the car. Don't touch the bottom
yeah.
end. That sounds sexual in nature. Rag is over there on your toolbox. Do you want that rag?
No.
Oh,
Okay, there. I
Yeah.
did that.
there you go.
I'm going to pinch
Not,
it up
not
into
even
here.
Loctiting the bolts.
No. Oh.
That's why I would have wiped those off. You've got oil on them.
What'd you do that for?
Well, I like it well lubed so it just slides right in.
There, it's mint.
Squint! It's mint. Okay, well, it's the same process. We're going to do all of them.
Uh-huh. We only have one more to do.
Well,
I already did the other one.
It is a 6-cylinder.
No! What? Where's the extra cylinder?
They fell off.
Oh.
They were just too loose of holes. Like wiping it off clean. Never, guys, just you know, a tip. Just the
No
tip
tip.
and only the tip. Never
tip.
put it in dirty.
Gotta lube it.
Little fresh lube, clean lube, maybe a little bit on thread. Never put it in dirty. And only the tip. Master mechanic at work.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's got to really crank his nuts tight. Oh.
Oh! Oh!
We're not even going to plastic gauge the bitch.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we are.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, well, all right, then we're going to
But
stop.
it feels...
All right, whoa, we're zoomed way in on you there. He's got the fucking hair. Look at ladies. Look at the hair, ladies. Ladies, no wonder she can't keep her fingers out of your hair. I want to touch it. No.
Oh, get out of it.
I don't have greasy fingers either. All right, well, all the bearings are in. Everything's been plastic gauged. It all come out nice. Your grandma's going to love this car. Or your mom. Maybe your sister. Give it to your younger sister. That way when she blows it up. Guys, if you got a daughter, give it to your youngest daughter. So when she blows it up, it's okay.
Aww.